the team approaches the park vehicle, the team leader spots an identified group of people. Recognizing the threat, he quickly signals his team by shouting, "Contact front!" Step by step, the team along with the PDLs start to move out of the enemy's line of fire, executing pullback and pull-up
Yan ang tinatawag na teamwork. Siya ang huminano.
moving and covering as the way to communicate with each other while they are moving.
Siya ang humila ng ano nung...
And moving out, two of the team members are wounded. The team immediately provides cover as the wounded applies combat application training on the wounded arm and leg.
Yan ang tinatawag na teamwork.
The team leaders assess the situation whether to call for backup from nearby allied forces.
Siya ata bumuhat natin.
The wounded members successfully stop the bleeding and
Tingnan
they
natin
proceed
kung
to
siya
move
nga.
out.
Hindi so, ha? Ano na? Oo!
The team successfully reaches a safe haven, ensuring their safety from enemies while also keeping the PDL in custody. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Sinag Talisad's tactical transport and rappelling performers.
May kanya-kanya palang ano. Hindi natin nakita.